Hello, good morning Edmund sa Maniego, Pangilinan. Pero tayong magandang balita na mangyayari ito bukas, October 11, 2025. Nagaganapin dito sa Manila or Diamond Hotel, October 11, 4 o'clock PM. Ito ang Siklab Awardees. Ito, bayaan nyo kung basahin ang press release, The brightest young athletes of the Philippines will be celebrated at the 5th Nickel Asia Corporation o NAC Siklab Youth Sports Awards presented by the Philippine Sports Commission on Saturday, which is tomorrow, at the Grand Ballroom of Diamond Hotel, Manila. This year's edition shines a spotlight on the Youth Heroes Awardees led by weightlifters J.R. Colonia, Alexandra Ana Diaz, Althea Bacaro, Jody Peralta, and Albert Ian De Los Santos. Their stellar performances at the 2025 World Youth and Junior Weightlifting Championships in Lima, Peru earned the Philippines the top spots among the 33 nations with a remarkable haul of 10 gold, 3 silver, and 3 bronze medals. Joining them are elite junior athletes from various disciplines like Carl Eldrew Yulo, Gymnastics, Rian Maliksi Golf, P.I. Durden Wangkai, Athletics, Dean Dernet Venerable, Taekwondo, Tenny Madis, Tennis, Kitra Ellis, Triathlon, and Sam Cantara, Volleyball. Yulo, the younger sibling of the double Olympic gold medalist Carlos Yulo, will be recognized for the 5th consecutive year, underscoring his continued excellence in the sport. The event is also supported by the Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympics Committee, Cell Logistics, MBPSF, Smart PLDT, Go for Gold, Homegrown, Oris, and Blue Hydra. So, 7-year-old Jiu-Jitsu prodigy Aleli Aguilar returns for her Siklab for her third straight honor after dominating her division at the Fun Kids IBJJF tournament in Orlando, Florida, the world's largest youth jiu-jitsu competition. Also being hailed as Super Kids are Sian Baguhin Boxing, Sofia Katantan Fencing, Kyra Belia Judo, and John Dennis Lumbao Karate. And top performers from the 2025 Palarong Pambansa will also be included, including swimmer Tita Sia, archer Nine Tagle, chess player Mar Abiel Carredo, dance sports standout Benz Rudolph Owen Semilia, and gymnast king CJ Pernea. Not to be outdone, the Batang Pinoy Games will be represented by standout athletes such as Albert Jose Amaro, the third or the second, swimming, Hazel May Risma Athletics, Haley Garcia Gymnastics, at Mario Mateo Medina Deports, Archery, and RB Naem Taginota the second, swimming. So a total of 73 awardees will be honored by the PSC, PPC, POC Media Group, with 3 special distinctions to be conferred. Gymnast Carlos Yulo as Sports Idol of the Year, Cynthia Carrion of Gymnastics with the Lifetime Achievement Award, and Christian Gonzalez as the Godfather of the Year. So, yun lamang po ang ulat at see you dito sa ballroom ng Diamond Hotel bukas, October 11, 2025. Tumong muli si Edmund sa Maniego, Pangilinan, reporting.